Right, upon commencing employment, the man is paid a salary of 23 grand and receives annual increments of 560. Determine his salary in the 9th year and calculate the total he receives in the first 12 years. So he's getting 23, I think he's getting 23 in the first year, and every year after that he gets a raise of 560. Increment means plus, adding 560. And it's the same amount every year. He's adding 560. And there's a wee formula in the back of the exam sheet for this, and it is called an arithmetic progression, or AP. Right, and I am going to get the image for that now. The image, where is it? Somewhere here. Nope. Exam papers, arithmetic sequence, here it is, right? So, let's stick it up here, say, on the right hand side. So, first thing to do is figure out that this is the tools we're going to use. These are a formula that apply to this question, right? A there. Our question, determine his salary in the 9th year, right? Down as far as here. That's the first question. It's a two-parter. First part, the salary in the 9th year, right? So that's the 9th term, the 9th year, right? A is, what is A? Well, in our question here, A equals 23,000, right? N is gonna be 9. N equals 9. And D is the difference. The difference every year is 560. 560 euros. So for the 9th year, the 9th year salary is going to be 23,000 plus n minus 1, 9 minus 1, multiplied by 560, right, which is 23,000 plus 8 times 560. And that's our salary in the 9th year. You could have done that by adding up, going the long way around, but who wants to do it that way? Plus 8 multiplied by 560, and we get 27,000. 27,480. And that is the salary in the 9th year. The second part then is calculate the total he receives in the first 12 years. It's sum total of the first 12 years. Sum, S, see that there? That's the part there, sum. And the little n there is for, it's going to be 12. So, I'll do the second part of this question in blue, right? So for the second part of the question, n equals 12, and everything else stays the same, except we're using this formula here. So the sum of the first 12 years will equal 12 over 2 outside of 2 times A, 2 times 23,000, plus n minus 1, be careful now, n is 12, minus 1, that's going to come to 11, times the difference, the common difference I suppose they call it, 560, right? So that's going to be 6, 12 divided by 2 is 6, 23,000 multiplied by 2 is 46,000, plus 12 minus 1 is 11, do what's in the brackets first, 11 times 560. So now we could go for the calculator, and I'm going to 11 multiplied by 560, I get 6,160, I'm going to add on 46,000, and I'm up to 52,160, and I'm going to multiply that by 6, and I get 312,960. That equals, it's going to be euros, 312,960. Does that make sense? I think it does, roughly speaking, right? So the total after 12 years that he's been paid, 312,960.